Hey everybody, it's Brett Watkins with Premier Home Experts and 54 Realty. Hey, I got a little update for you. I got my water heater. Let's check it out. It's right behind me here. And there it is. Yep, I know, that's very sexy stuff. You can tell I'm getting older because I'm pretty pumped up about my water heater. So anyway, here's the deal. I went back and forth on what kind of water heater I was going to get. Am I going to get a hybrid? Am I going to get a tankless? Or am I going to get a standard electric water heater? It's just my wife and I, so we went with the standard electric water heater. And before I forget, I want to give a big shout out to John Monks at JJM Plumbing. He came out, he did the work for me. He tightened up some other stuff around the house for me. Awesome job. Thank you so much, John. Anyway, so the bottom line is if you're going to get a water heater, if you need a new one, do your homework. It really depends. How many people do you have in your house? How much water do you use? What's your setup? A tankless would have cost me quite a bit of money. I would have had to upgrade my electric panel. The hybrid didn't make sense for us because it's just me and my wife. So I went the cheaper route. I got the standard electric, and it's more than enough for us. Anyway, there's your update for now. I've got some other stuff coming up around here. It's been a great year so far. It's early. I've got some springtime videos coming soon. And if you have questions, shoot me a message, give me a call. Thanks again.